what is the role of a Buddha? How is the role of a Buddha in Buddhism different than the role of God in other religions? Why is the Buddha considered to be still teaching? The Buddha, Bodhicharya Muni, is the founder of Buddhism. And his main role is teacher, a great teacher, a teacher who teaches us through his own experience how to free ourselves from suffering, pain, problems, and how to transform ourselves, how to awaken our innate qualities like, wisdom, compassion, and all positive qualities, limitless qualities that we naturally have. So Buddha is seen as a teacher, as a doctor, as a guide, not as a god. Buddha said, I cannot wash away the negative things, the sufferings of the people with pouring water on them. I cannot take away their problems and difficulties with my hands. I cannot pour in my wisdom and my experience into you. I can show you the way. I can teach you. I can guide you on how to become free from suffering, how to transform yourself. I can teach you. I can guide you. I can give you all the instructions. I can help you. It's up to you whether you want to be liberated, whether you want to be helped or not. That's what Buddha said. So therefore, Buddha's role is not like that of a god. Because from Buddhist point of view, we are not created by anybody. We are ourselves. We have as much, innate quality as a perfect being has, as much as a god has. We are not, we are not bad. We have all the positive qualities. It's just we need to be awakened. So therefore, we don't need anybody actually, and nobody can actually get rid of all the problems from us. We have to do it because our problems are not actually not there. It's our perception. It's our wrong perception. It's our, it's our way of experiencing. So therefore, the way I see things, the way I experience, cannot be changed by others. I have to change it myself. I have to learn it. So therefore, Buddha is the teacher. And he gave his teaching, and after he gave his teaching, when he passed away, people ask, who is your representative? Who will be the person who will hold, take care of your, teachings? He says, my teachings itself is my, my legacy. There's no need of anybody. The teachings is me. If you have not met me, and then if if you're born like many hundreds of years after, don't think that you are, unfortunate because you couldn't meet Buddha. you read my teachings, you study my teachings, and it's the same as meeting me. So therefore, Buddha's teaching is still there. As long as there are people, what we call Sangha, who have studied, who have understood the teachings of the Buddha, and who are genuinely practicing them, truly, genuinely practicing them, and have experience of them, as long as that is there, there is Buddha Dharma. The Buddha Dharma will remain. That's what Buddha said. Yeah. So therefore, his teaching is still there, because all the teachings, or most of the teachings, or many of his teachings, are still preserved. There are people who have, received the genuine teachings and who are practicing genuine teachings. So as long as that's there, there's Buddha Dharma, the teaching is still there.